Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this looks scary, but trust me, it's one of the easiest sub question once you know the trick. Root 50 plus root 18 by root 32. Don't calculate directly, simplify smartly. So let's break each root, rewrite every number as a perfect square of something. So for example, root 50, we can write it as root 25 times 2, which I can write it as 5 root 2. Similarly, root 18 as perfect square is 9 times 2. So we can write it as 3 root 2. Now, root 32 as root 16 times 2, which we can write it as 4 root 2. Now, let's substitute the value. So, root 50 becomes, I can write 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2 by 4 root 2. So now combine like terms. So it becomes 8 root 2 by 4 root 2. Now cancel common terms. So it becomes 8 by 4, which is 2. So the final answer is 2. So here is a quick trick tip for you. Whenever you see multiple square roots, so same number insides like 2 here. So convert all the same roots form combined first and then cancel later. Never multiply big numbers directly. So did you get 2 before watching the solution? Comment yes or no. Like, subscribe for daily maths logic.